Get more energy with these 3 methods. In many ways, energy management is more important than time management. We talk about time management as though we don't have any time to complete the tasks we need to complete, or to pursue the things we are passionate about. But how about you reassess that belief? If you really don't have much time, then surely you haven't watched any box sets lately, or played any games? No, the reason that you haven't started your own business, kept the house immaculately clean, and renovated the garden is that you lack energy, not time. We're so busy at work, and we're so stressed during the day, that any free time we have, we just want to spend resting and recovering. That's why finding ways to boost your energy is so important. And in this presentation, we'll look at 3 powerful ways you can do that. 1. The right food and supplements. There are a number of key nutrients that you can get either from your diet or from supplementation that can help to increase your energy levels and make your very cells more energy efficient. For example, lutein has been shown in studies to make us more energetic and to choose to exercise more as a result. This works by making the cells more efficient at converting glucose into usable ATP. Then there are the similar nutrients such as CoQ10, PQQ, and L-carnitine. Or how about iron that increases the production of red blood cells? Creatine, which recycles used energy. Or MCT oil, which provides ketones as an alternative fuel source. 2. Exercise. Of course, exercise can help to give you more energy, but if you want the best bang for your buck, then the top choice is definitely HIIT, or high-intensity interval training. This will not just strengthen the heart to improve circulation, but will also improve your VO2 max and increase the number and strength of your mitochondria, the crucial energy factories of your cells. 3. Sleep better. Of course, better sleep at night means more energy during the day. But how do you ensure you sleep better? One quick tip is to take a hot bath just before bed. Another useful strategy is to take yet another supplement called magnesium threonate. Magnesium triggers the release of inhibitory neurotransmitters, making us more drowsy and ready to relax. At the same time, it helps to soothe the muscles and release tension, all conducive to a better night's rest.